Okay, this one is their latest design, latest collection. This is the newest bag. They only have one right now, which is I'm going to review. So this is the leather. Ano tong material na to? It's just a second. I'll do my research again. Okay. Sorry, I keep forgetting my homework. So this strap is detachable, but how are you gonna carry it if you're not gonna use the strap? There's also a crossbody bag. Okay, so meron siyang buckle for adjustment. I like the size of this kasi ako'y 5XL. For a Filipina, I'm too big. I'm 5'9". I don't know what my waistline is. I forgot pa. Pero, kasya pa naman ako sa tape measure. Sana lumiit pa. Okay, so this is vegan leather from Marikina. Okay. And, oops, sorry. The bayong part is virgin plastic from Laguna. That's what I gathered. Okay. Ang hirap i-navigate because my camera is too close. Okay. I don't have a proper tripod yet. Okay. So this is what it look like. Inside kasi, kaya medyo nakabukol siya. Ay, dapat I shouldn't have done that. Meron ko nakapa dito na something. Nakausli. Okay. Kasi merong itong maliit na pouch over here. Pwede mo lagay dito yung mga maintenance meds mo. Or makeup mo, cellphone, whatever. Okay, lagay mo dyan. Pwede naman ito lang, dalahin mo. For an event, it's actually not bad, like siguro clutch bag mo for when you're going to party because black goes with anything anyway. Ano pangalan nito? This is Carmencita. Only $18. Okay. Carmencita. Okay, so that's the pouch. Tapos ito naman yung crossbody bag niya. Actually, it looks similar to my Michael Kors na bag. Only Michael Kors is zipper up here, but this one is a snap button, leathery, magnetic snap button. I like this bag actually. Baka hindi ko na siya isosole. This is how much is this again? I know that they told me it's $79 online. So what's the name of this bag? I forgot. Okay. But, yeah. I have one like this, pero parang kalahati lang siya. O this size. Mamaya re-reviewin ko. Nahanapin ko muna kung saan ko siya tinago. Okay. So, yeah. This is a cute bag. I like it. May lining siya sa loob. So, hindi magagasgas yung kamay mo when you put stuff inside. Malambot. It's like merong foam ng konti yung loob niya. Okay. Okay. This is very well made. It's like high quality. Pwede siyang panglaban sa mga mga Michael Kors na yan or Coach bag. It's LB. Okay. Local ba yun? Hindi Louis Vuitton. Okay. So, yan. That's that bag. I like it. Huwag ko na isoli, ha? Pili na lang kayo. Alright. See you later.